Welcome to another Microsoft Word tutorials. In this video, I'm going to share with you 25 special characters we can insert into Microsoft Word, and these special characters can be used in document creation such as language support, mathematical notations. We can also use these special characters in other softwares, whereby when you insert them in Microsoft Word, you can copy and paste them into other softwares for a particular document creation. So let's get right in and let me share with you how we can insert special characters into Microsoft Word. But before then, I have a video that explains the difference between keyboard symbols and special characters, and I'm going to link that video in the description below. And also I have a video that talks about traditional keyboard symbols. I'll also have that video linked in the description below. Check it out. But in this particular video, we are going to use advanced keyboard combinations to get special characters, where we can get some symbols and also other images using keyboard symbols. So let's get right in and start this tutorial. The first keyboard symbol I'm going to insert is an image of an animal, and we are going to use some combination of keys. So I'm going to type 1F403, and when you have these symbols which consist of numbers and letters, we are going to use a combination of key which is going to convert this particular characters into a particular symbol or image. So the keys we are going to use are the Alt key and the letter X on the keyboard. Now when you have this combination of keys, this is going to convert those characters into a particular image, and we can use this image in document creation, where you want to have an insertion of this particular image into your document. Now the next key is 1F407, and then as usual you hold the Alt key and the letter X, and you are going to have this particular symbol. So let's move to the next character. We have 1F400 Alt X, and you are going to have these symbols. So you could see that amazingly we have all these special characters or images in Microsoft Word which can be inserted by having some characters with the combination of Alt key and the letter X. And you can see, as I said, we can use these images or these special characters in our document creation. The next one is, so we have 1F410. You hold the Alt key and the letter X, and you're going to have this image. Let's move to the next character. We have 1F42A Alt X. We also have these characters. So I am going to insert 25 characters in this particular video. Presently we have 5. So as usual, any character that you put together, you just hold the Alt key and the letter X to convert that character or characters into an image or a special character. So the next one is 1F416. We have this image. We also have this image. So we are moving to the next character. So you can see all these special characters I am entering, or special images I am entering into Microsoft Word using the Alt key and the letter X with other characters. And all these images, as I said, you can have them select, right click and copy and paste them into a different software for a particular purpose. Just that you have to know the characters and their combination keys to get these images. So you can see that we have a horse, we have a monkey, we have a dog, we have all these characters here. All these images are looking very beautiful in Microsoft Word. So let's continue to the next character. So when I move to the first page, I have 6 images here. I also have 6 here, making 12. Then we have another 6, making 18. Then 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So now we have 24 special characters. And as I promised in the beginning of this video, I said we are going to have 25 special characters inserted in Microsoft Word. So the last character, we are going to use this combination of keys. Then we have this particular image or emoji. So these are the 25 special characters I want to share with you in this particular video. And when you have this inserted into Microsoft Word, you can use them in document creation. And also, if you want to have this as an image inserted into another software, you can do so, especially if you want to move this into PowerPoint. Maybe you want to use them in Microsoft Excel. You just have to select, right click and choose copy. Then you can paste them into any particular software you want to use. So these are the special characters, and I said jump into the description below after watching this video, and we have a video that explains the difference between keyboard symbols and special characters, and I'll meet you there in that particular video.